All right, what are we doing?
Test to see if this is holding deep enough.
Measuring tape says just over a foot. Is that enough? What say you, deep enough or no?
Depending on the top there, that's how high you want to go. This is a hole. We are digging the hole, trying to get organized to get the second hole to go from here. We've got these stone blocks. Gonna put all these stones into this hole. I am dumping one in. Going in the hole. 3.4 pound of rock gone into this hole. This is now the cement that's going to go in that same thing over there on the corner where the rock's been. This is cement that's going to go into that hole to keep it straight up on and to get it started. Dumping it into the sink. Where is this thing?
There it goes.
Post level is a metal thing and it's connected to this post. You now got it even to right where they want it. All right, this is our end of our show for our work for today. So tomorrow I'll have 2 extra other people to come and do the starter.